This is how you can verify your eBay account. When you first sign up, eBay may ask you to verify your identity. This can include confirming your email address, phone number, and payment details. Go to account settings from the top left corner. Just click on your name right here and then click on account settings, and then your account settings page will appear. Now from here, you're going to have to click on personal information where you can find all of the verification measures that can be done for your account. Now it's going to ask you to sign in or to log in again because this part is very confidential, so other people cannot access it, and it needs to verify your identity that you are signing in as yourself. Next is this is how it's going to appear. Now you will find here all of your contact information. So normally, if your eBay account isn't verified yet, you're gonna have to be uploading documents like driver's license, passport, or bank statement to confirm your identity. For sellers, eBay might also request your bank account for payouts. Now, once verified, you will have a higher account limit and more trust with buyers and seller. But if you're looking for verifying your contact information, you're just gonna have to access it here. So for email address, as you can see, mine is not yet verified and my phone number is not verified as well. So you're just gonna have to click on verify right here, and they are going to send you a security code to your Gmail, and you're just gonna have to enter the security code right here and then click on verify to verify your account. Now you're gonna have to check your messages often because eBay will notify you if you need extra documents as well. And that's it. That is how you're going to verify your eBay account. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.